Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Coding Ninjas. My name is Ankush and in this video we'll discuss how to become a competitive coder. So competitive programming is all about practicing problems, participating in contests and solving those contests. So let's break them down one by one. So while practicing problems, you should make a note that you try to practice problems slightly above your comfort zone, not very hard problems, but slightly above your comfort zone so that you grow gradually, right? Second, you should participate in contests, right? So contests are held on various platforms like Codeforces, CodeChef, LeetCode, and Code Studio, right? All of these platforms have different types of contests. So contests on LeetCode and Code Studio are more focused on data structural algorithms. Here you will see classical DSA problems with a twist, right? Whereas contests on Codeforces and CodeChef are more based on problem solving, making observations, but DSA as well, right? So these type of contests are very different. So if your technical interviews are approaching, I would really suggest you that you go and participate in contests on Code Studio and LeetCode, right? And third, you should solve the problems that you were not able to solve in the contest. This basically means that if you were able to solve two problems in the contest, try solving the third problem after the contest has ended, because you will learn new things and you will eventually grow. So that's how you become a competitive coder. If you like this video, do like this, do share it with your friends, and do subscribe to the YouTube channel of Coding Ninjas.
Hi there, we hope you liked the video and had fun learning. I would like to inform you that Coding Ninjas has come up with a scholarship test called CNSAT. If you participate in this test, you can get up to 100% scholarship on any course at Coding Ninjas. It can be DSA, web development, product companies interview preparation, and even data science and many more courses. So if you want to avail this opportunity, click on the link in the description below or the pinned comment and participate in the test now. Happy learning, guys.